These new AI Stadium Fun Cam videos are going insanely viral right now. And the crazy part is that you can create them in less than 10 seconds using AI. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make them step by step. First, head over to Kling AI. Once you're on the home page, click on All Tools, then go to Creative Effects. Inside here, you'll see multiple viral stadium-style effects, including F1 style, football, and baseball. For this tutorial, let's use the baseball effect, because it's currently one of the most viral ones online. Now all you have to do is upload an image. This can be a selfie, a portrait photo, or even an AI-generated influencer image. After uploading the photo, click Generate. Kling AI will automatically animate the image and turn it into a realistic Stadium Fun Cam style video in just a few seconds. And that's literally it. You can test different photos, different effects, and even create multiple versions for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. These videos are getting millions of views right now because they look super realistic and feel like real stadium broadcasts. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.